Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to check the dimensions of an array in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, it's important to know the dimensions of an array or a matrix in case you're doing matrix manipulations such as multiplication, addition. You need to make sure that the sizes of your arrays are compatible. So in that sense, you need to check the dimensions of your arrays to make sure that those aren't giving you any errors. So therefore, I'll be showing you how to check the dimensions of an array in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to define an array in Mathematica. So that is my array A, and now to check the dimensions, you're simply going to use the dimensions function in Mathematica, and you're going to check the dimensions of A. So now if I run this, as you can see, it gives me the dimensions of my array or my matrix A, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. And yeah, that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to check the dimensions of an array in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.